Okay, Sister Rita, you were doing it. Sister
Is it
Rita,
maknoon?
Maknoon. What is it
Maknoon?
for? For what?
Zama muzakkar. Maful.
Are you sure it is Maknoonun or Maknoonani or Maknoonun? What is it?
Maknoonin. Maknoonin. Maknoo. Maknooni.
So
It's Zama.
what should be Wahid? Maknun?
Yes, sir. I may be wrong.
No. But I'm giving you, means you have to tell me later on as well. Find out its huruf asli and also tell us.
Maknoon. Maknoon. It should be Maknoon.
Maknun. So means it's what should be huruf asli, because meme is added to it. Okay. Kana, kanna yakunnu. I'm leaving it for you. You can answer me on the group by the end of the day, right? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next one. وَأَصْحَابُ الْيَمِينِ مَا أَصْحَابُ الْيَمِينِ في سدر مخضود وطلع منضود وظل ممدود وماء مكسوب وفاكهة كثيرة. لا. Yes. The first. Where is this maf'ul? The first one. مخضود. Okay. Is it واحد مثنى جمع?
واحد.
واحد اسم مفعول. Okay. واحد اسم مفعول. مخزود. Okay. Second one. The other Ayman.
منضود.
What is it?
It is the same. واحد it's مفعول and it's واحد. واحد مذكر. No, واحد مؤنث.
واحد مؤنث. MashaAllah. Great.
No.
Where is the مدبر or علامة التانيث?
Oh, yes. Sorry. This is واحد مذكر.
So what is the way to tell that? First of all, identify the siga like manzudun. So when say manzudun is wahid mudhakkar, okay, then we have to tell it is ismul maf'ul. And the third thing, from ghair thulathi mujarrad or thulathi mujarrad. So it is from thulathi mujarrad, right? Because when you know all these things, you talk about these things, then you will be grasping the idea. You will be having mastery. If you don't tell all these things, three things, like wahid, whether mudhakkar or muannas, then either it is from thulathi or ghair thulathi. Okay, just a minute, let me save the recording. Okay, go ahead, Sister Saima, the second one. Oh, next one.
Right, okay, so the next one was وظل ممدود. ممدود is اسم مفعول and it's واحد مذكر.
Okay, and do you think it is from thulathi? Sister Saima, is it thulathi mujarrad? Unmute yourself, you're muted.
Oh, sorry, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
now.
ثلاثي مجرد
Okay.
ميم دال and dal.
Okay, very good. Wama maksub.
You want me to answer it, sir?
Anyone?
مذكر مفعول
مس
مذكر واحد واحد
مسكوب,
مذكر
yes.
واحد مذكر
مذكر
اسم المفعول
اسم
ثلاثي مجرد, right?
مجرد. Yes, sir.
Okay, then لا مقطوعة ولا ممنوعة.
مقطوعة and ممنوعة,
Hmm.
and they're both واحد مؤنث and ثلاثي مجرد.
Okay, so very good, mashallah. Now, what is your work? I will also be giving you more exercises, inshallah, in days to come. Now, what you have to do, you have to bring examples. You can make your own examples, and you can also find out any examples from Quran, the glorious Quran, or from any ahadith or any Islamic literature of Ismul Fa'il and Ismul Maf'ul from Ghair Thulathi Mujarrad. I repeat, I'm giving you homework. Now it's up to you that how many examples you're going to come with. You have to find out examples, or you can form your own examples as well. You have to kind of find out examples from the glorious Quran, from the Hadith, or from Islamic literature. And examples of what? Examples of Ismul Fa'il and Ismul Maf'ul, but Ismul Fa'il غير ثلاثي مجرد and Ismul Maf'ul غير ثلاثي مجرد. It's up to you. You are forming or coming with 10 examples, 20 examples, 50 examples, 100 examples, whatever. It's up to you. You understand your homework?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow we may go out of means means like take family to natural place. Let me stop recording. Yes. I have told you to come with as many examples as you can. Is the availability of time with you? I'm not overburdening you, but definitely you are supposed to come with some examples. Make your own examples. Go to the Quran, find out the examples. But I told you examples of Ismul Fa'il, غير ثلاثي مجرد, examples of Ismul Maf'ul, غير ثلاثي مجرد, not ثلاثي مجرد. Number one. Number two, the very important point, you have to memorize the points. What is the way to form Ismul Fa'il from Thulathi Mujarrad and Ghair Thulathi Mujarrad? Number two, what is the way to form Ismul Maf'ul from Thulathi Mujarrad and Ghair Thulathi Mujarrad? That's it. Number three, as we are moving forward, now you have to reconcile what you learned and memorized from Gardans as you went through the rules regarding Falul Mazi, and also like we discussed about Mazi Qarib, Mazi Ba'id, and Muzare, that is what Istamrari, continuous tense, and other details regarding Nawasib, Jawasim, and also is Falul Amr, Falul Amr. Now, as we'll move forward, we'll be discussing different things like different things about, we'll also learn about the skills that were heard from Arabs with respect to Ism Fa'il and Ism Maf'ul. And also, we'll discuss Ismul Masdar in detail, Ismul Ala, Ismul Dharf, and other very important things. So now it's up to you that to keep reconciling the Gardans you learned. You need to also have the grasp or the, what should I say, you should be very fluent and conversant with all the chapters of Thalathi Mujarrad, Thalathi Mazid Fi, Rubai Mujarrad, Rubai Mazid Fi, and all the Gardans. and keep reconciling the rules with them. Now there's no free time with you. Just keep reconciling. And whenever you have time, like whenever we are discussing any siga or you are coming across a siga from Quran, say for example, take half an hour of your life, sit with Quran, explore the verses of the Quran, try to find out whatever you have learned from marfuat, from mansubat, from majrurat, from mudhakkar muannas, from ism marifa, ism nakira, the types of various types of muannas, and also muannathun sama'iyun. What are the marfuat? Then you also ismul ishara. Ismul ishara lil ba'id, qareeb, mudhakkar, muannath, zamair. Likewise, fi'l madhi, fi'l mudari, fi'l amr, ism fa'il, ism maf'ul, masdar, and whatever you come. Now, by spending that time, inshallah, that would be tadabbur. You will be having very, very, what should I say, familiarity uh, while applying the whatever the rules you have learned and going through the verses of the Quran. And even you can go to the Arabic text if you find out any Arabic text. Apply the rules. Whatever the rules you have learned, just apply them. Just apply them. By this way, we are going moving forward. And I told you that you are in between intermediate, advanced, means upper intermediate and advanced level. So keep reconciling these things, and inshallah, by this way, you will never forget these things. One more thing. If I shared with you any of the dictionaries, Arabic dictionary, try to start using bit by bit the dictionary. And how to use that? You are supposed to use the dictionary keeping an eye on huruf asli. Like in Sulathi Mujarrad, we have 3 huruf asli. And in Rubai Mazid 3, again 3 huruf asli and other extra huruf. And you know the above. In Rubai Mujarrad, 4 huruf asli. And Rubai Mazid 3, 4 huruf asli and extra letters. So with those huruf asli, you can find out meanings of various words. So you have got Safwatul Masadir, and try to spend 5 minutes or 6 minutes or even 10 minutes once a day, twice means once in 2 days, whatever the availability of time is with you. If you go through using the dictionary, you will be amazing in developing and improving your vocabulary, inshallah. So try to start doing these things, inshallah. And I hope that we will overcome a lot of things. Jazakallah khair. We are stopping here. See you, inshallah, soon. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.